Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check flight status online from mobile on your iPhone or Android. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, just open up any browser you have on your phone. I'm just going to open up Safari and we are going to search for flight tracker. And this is the site we are looking for, flightradar24.com. And once you see it, just tap on that site. Just tap on agree and you can then see a search bar at the top. You can tap on it and this is where you can type in the flight number if you know it. For example, I'm gonna type in PAL432. Here it is. Just tap on the flight that you searched for. And this is where you can see the flight's history and you can also see information if a flight is delayed or canceled. Now, if you don't know the flight number, we can also search it by route. Just tap on the search bar again and select a flight by route. For example, you can then search all flights for a particular location and just tap on search. You can then see all these flights that has those route. Thanks for watching. And again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.